Hey everyone, welcome to FixSoft. In this video I'll show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox from start to finish. If you're learning ethical hacking, penetration testing or cybersecurity, Kali Linux is one of the tools you'll want to have. The nice thing is you don't need to replace your current system, you can run Kali Linux inside VirtualBox and use it alongside Windows or macOS without any risk. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First of all, we have to download VirtualBox. Open your browser and search for VirtualBox. Open first website. Here click on the download button. A new page will open. Here choose Windows host, and the setup file will start downloading. When downloading finishes, go to your downloads folder. Open the step file to start installation. Now follow the installation steps to complete installation. Our VirtualBox is installed successfully. Now we need to download Kali Linux ISO file. Again, open your browser and search for Kali Linux. Open this website. This is official website of Kali Linux. Click on download button. Here choose the installer image. Now scroll down and click on the download icon. The ISO file will start downloading. While the file's downloading, we have to make two system settings. First, disable Hyper-V because it can sometimes interfere with the installation. Open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now type this command here and press Enter. This will disable your Hyper-V. Now right-click on Windows and open Task Manager. Here go to Performance tab. On the right side you will see Virtualization. If it's enabled, you are good to go. And if it's disabled, then you have to enable it by watch a video. I will provide the link in description. Now open VirtualBox when all things are done. It's time to set up our virtual machine on VirtualBox. First, click on New to create a new virtual machine. Now type name of virtual machine as Kali Linux. Leave the machine folder as default. Now here, set the type to Linux. Subtype will be DBN. And select the version also as DBN 64-bit. Click Next. Now here we have to allocate RAM. The minimum requirement is 2 GB, but for better performance it's recommended to allocate 4 GB or more depending on your system's available RAM. Now here adjust the CPU. It's best to assign at least 2 cores or up to half of your available cores. Since my system has 8 CPU cores, I'll allocate 4 cores to the virtual machine. Here set a virtual hard disk for Kali Linux. The recommended storage for Kali Linux is 25 GB. But if you have enough space, go for 50 GB to ensure smooth experience. Once you have set the disk size, click Finish. Now your VM is set up, but let's change a few settings for optimal performance. Click on Settings. Under the General tab, select Features. Here change Shared Clipboard and drag and drop to be directional. This lets you copy text and files between your host and the virtual machine without any extra steps. Moving to Display, maximize the video memory to 120 MB maximum. In Storage, click on Empty. Then click on the CD icon on the right. Choose Select a disk file. Then locate and select the Kali Linux ISO that you downloaded earlier. Now go to Network Settings. Here you can keep it on NAT for simple internet access, or switch to a bridged adapter. A bridged adapter makes your Kali Linux system reachable from other devices on the same network. When you're done, select OK to apply the changes. Now our Kali virtual machine is ready. It's time for the installation. Select your Kali Linux VM and click Start. It will start loading. You will see the Kali Linux boot menu. Go to Advanced Installation Options and press Enter. Here, select Graphical Install and press Enter. Now select Install. Now complete the initial setup. First, choose your preferred language. Next, select your country or region and continue. Here, choose your keyboard layout. It will now start detecting your network settings and installing required components. Here enter a host name. This is just the name of your machine. In domain option you can leave it as blank. Now let's create a user account. Here enter the full name of the user. Next enter a username. Now set a strong password for your account. Make sure to remember this password as you will need it to log in later. Here set your clock. When it asks to set up disk partitioning, the best option is to select Guided Use Entire Disk. Then select the virtual hard disk we created earlier. On this screen, choose all files in one partition. Finally, select Finish Partitioning and write changes to disk. Then choose Yes to confirm the changes. Now Kali Linux will start installing on our system. Just wait until it finishes. Next, it will ask if you want to install the Grub bootloader. This is required to boot into Kali Linux properly, so select Yes and click Continue. Here select Main Drive. When you see the installation complete message, click Continue and your system will reboot. Finally, you will see Kali Linux login menu. Enter your username and password you created earlier. To make it full screen, press right-click, Ctrl and F at same time. You should now see the Kali Linux desktop ready to use. And that's it. Kali Linux is now fully installed, optimized, and running smoothly inside VirtualBox. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.